Good morning, dear students. Our today's topic is word problems of multiplication. So let us understand what is a word problem. Word problem is a mathematical problem expressed in a simple language. It comes from real life situations and it helps you to solve your daily mathematical problems. Okay, so let us take a look which steps you have to follow to solve these word problems. So your first step is read the statement or problem 2 or 3 times. Second step, think what the question is asked. Third step, underline the given data in the question. Then look for keywords, and in the last step then you solve that question accordingly. Okay, so today as we are going to solve word problems of multiplication, so let us understand in multiplication when you go through a word problem of multiplication you go from one thing to many things. That means the data about one thing is given to you and you have to find the answer about many things. So remember, in multiplication, you go from one to many. So one to many means multiplication. So remember this word OMM. O means one, M means many, and M means multiplication. So 1 to many means multiplication. 1 to many means multiplication. So remember this word OMM. Okay. So I am today taking one example here. So let us read this first. If a box contains 25 toffees, if a box contains 25 toffees, how many toffees are in 28 such boxes? So you have to read this question 2 or 3 times, then look for the data given to you. So you have to underline the given data. Here we are given a box contains 25 toffees. That means here we have 25 toffees in a one box. And how many toffees are in 28 such boxes? So we have to underline this 28 also. So 28 is your boxes. Okay. So how? So there is a clue word here. If a box. This is your keyword. That means you are given information about a box. A box contains 25 toffees. That means in one box we have 25 toffees. So we have to find how many toffees are there in 28 such boxes. So it will be more. So we will go from the data about one thing is given to you and you have to find about many things. So we will go for multiplication. Okay, so this is your, so how you will write its statement. So first you will write first statement about one thing, that is a box contain 25 toffees. That means number of toffees in one box is 25. So you will write the first statement about one thing. Okay, what is given to you. So next 28 are your boxes. So number of boxes are there, that is 28. So you have to find how many toffees are there. You have to find toffees. So in the third statement you will write number of toffees in 28 such boxes. Okay, so you will multiply 28 with 25 with 28. So we will multiply here 25 multiply by 28. Okay, so now you have to solve this question, so you can solve it here. Okay, below these statements you can solve it here. You can multiply 25 with 28. So here first you multiply with 8, you get 200. Then you have multiplied with 2, you get 50. Okay, so then you will add and you will get your answer. So that means 28 boxes contain 700 toffees. This is your answer. Okay, so 28 boxes contain 700 toffees. So let us go for one more example. Example 2. Find the cost of 19 chairs if each chair cost rupees 290. So read this statement 2 or 3 times. Now look what is given to you. Find the cost of 19 chairs. So we will underline this 19 chairs, and then if each chair cost rupees 290. Okay, so look for keyword. There is a keyword here, each. Each means the information about one chair is given to you. Okay, so what you will write? So cost of one chair is given to you, so you will write cost of one chair is equals to 290. Okay, here as we are given with each chair, we are given with cost of each chair, so we are again going from 1 to we have to find the cost of 19 chairs, so we are going from 1 to many, so that means again we have to multiply. Okay, so we will write cost of one chair is rupees 290. Okay, and you have to find cost of 19 chairs, so you will write number of chairs is equals to 19 chairs. Okay, and cost of 19 chairs will be 290 multiplied by 90. Okay, now you have to multiply this rupees 290 with 19, so you can multiply it here and you will get your answer 5510. So we can write it here, that is your cost, so you have to put rupees sign here, rupees 5510. So in the end you can also write cost of 19 chair is rupees 5510. Okay, so let us go for one more example. A necklace contains 108 beads. How many beads will 32 such necklaces contain? Okay, so let us first underline the given data. We are given with 108 beads and 32 necklaces. Okay, so what is the keyword here? A means in one necklace we have 108 beads. So we will write first statement about one necklace. So number of beads in one necklace is 108. We have to find how many beads will in 32 such necklaces. So number of necklaces are 32. Okay, so in the third statement we have to find number of beads in 32 such necklace. Okay, so we will multiply 108 with 32. So you will write like this and then you will multiply 108 with 32 and you will get your answer. So number of beads in 32 necklaces will be 3456. So dear children, go through this concept and try to solve worksheet 8. Thank you. Have a nice day.